Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are back with the Technews episode 3, and there are a lot of interesting updates today. Without getting any delay, let's get started. First news is about micro LED TV, which is a folding micro LED TV. For the first time they are going to release this, and it is going to be having a price of 2.91 crore. Multi-millionaires would be using this TV. That's it. It's going to be a prestigious product for them, like foldable phones and all. Now they are really working on the foldable TV, which can be folded into 5 parts, and it's a really interesting one, but the cost is damn high, which is 2.91 crore. Our second tech news is about WhatsApp. WhatsApp has recently updated their privacy policies and all. You will not be using this WhatsApp again after the May 15th. There is an extended time from the February 8th to May 15th. If you are not accepting the terms and conditions of WhatsApp, you won't be able to access the chat features and the story features from May 15th. So keep in mind, if you really want to use WhatsApp, you should definitely accept the terms and conditions. The third tech news is about Qualcomm Earbuds. They started up with their earbuds project, which is having a high quality sound and low latency wireless. So the Snapdragon 800 series chipset would be using in these earbuds, and this is the fast connect 6900 connectivity system. And for headset and earbuds, there are three models, which is QCC 514X and QCC 515X, QCC 3056 series Bluetooth audio series. So these are the three chipsets they are going to use for their earbuds and headset. So let's see what they are up to. Fourth tech news is about Motorola. Motorola has confirmed their recent release of G10 and G30 on March 9th. So you could be seeing these phones on Flipkart sale. This has got a old model drop notch display. So this is going to be a low range phone, like under 10,000, 12,000 phone. Let's see what will be the price for this G30 and G10. The fifth news is about launch of OPPO Find X3, and this has been leaked from the China e-commerce site. This has quoted as $847 on a China e-commerce app, and this is going to be released in March ending. So this is having a three triple camera setup, which is like a 12 Pro Max, and there is a small depth sensor for it. This is going to be a huge bump on the backside, and screen looks pretty decent curved screen, and the specs are yet to be leaked. So let's see what the price is going to be and when the release date would be announced. The sixth tech news is about a Snapdragon 775. 765 has been an old process which got released in Nord. Now they are working on 775 processor instead of their 788 processor. Maybe they could bring up the 788 processor also. And the 775 processor has two variants, which is 775 and 775G. 5 nanometer technology, which is having LPDDR5, which is having 3200 mAh, and the camera spectra is going to be around 570, which has the ability to capture 4K recording in 60 FPS. So let's see when this is going to be released, and mostly it would be in 2021 only, because they are really started working fast on this 775 processor instead of that 788 processor. So let's see when we could get this processor. Hope you like this Tech News episode part 3. If you really like this, please drop a like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Keep smiling. Bye bye.